Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the new AI-powered landing pages that as of this video today, anyone who signs up for a new Thinkific account will automatically see the AI-powered landing pages. Now, what this means is if you haven't already heard, AI, artificial intelligence, is all the buzz these days. And the goal of AI is to make your workflow faster so that you can focus on what's important, which is creating content, creating offerings, and engaging with your customers and or following. This is really important milestone because now with AI, you can start creating landing pages and website pages much faster. Oftentimes, the biggest challenge is creating these landing pages. There's often questions about, do I need to use sites like ClickFunnels? Should I be using lead pages? And now Thinkific makes it easy to tap into AI so that you have a landing page within minutes. While the landing page is created for you in minutes, it doesn't mean that there's going to be a lot of bells and whistles. The most important part of the AI landing pages is that you can create something quick, fast, because often getting started is the biggest hurdle. If you are already an existing Thinkific user, you can go ahead and enable these settings so that new pages that you create in the future can be built using AI. Now, if you wanted to turn an existing page that you've been working on and take advantage and switch over to the AI, you'd have to duplicate that product and then switch over to the new setting. However, in this demo, I'm going to walk you through how you can take advantage of these AI-powered landing pages. If you'd like to support my channel, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description below, and let me know if you have any questions about Thinkific. I am a Thinkific expert here to answer questions and help all of you in your creator business. Thank you for watching, and now let's get started. I'm going to walk you through how to use the AI-powered landing page feature for digital downloads. You can use the AI-powered landing page to not only make landing pages for digital downloads, but also coaching, calls, and webinars, and regular courses. Once you try the AI landing page feature and you find that it doesn't really work for you, you can always go back into your settings and change back to the landing page classic feature where you can build it with custom themes, leverage Super Powerups. The biggest difference between the AI powered landing page and the non-AI powered landing page depends on how much customization you want. If you are a new creator, I would suggest not going for a lot of customizations and theme changes unless you are super technical and super savvy. It makes sense to change the theme colors and styles and settings once you're familiar with Thinkific and once you have a solid audience where you feel like the needs of a landing page and website is a little bit more sophisticated than a simple basic looking page. Log into your Thinkific account. I am logged into my demo account. And if I go into products, this is where I'll see my options for what kind of products I'd like to create. I'm going to give the AI landing page feature a try with digital downloads. So I'll click on digital downloads and it'll give me the option to name my digital download and start creating what this product would look like. Now I can click on create a digital download and begin my process. This really does take minutes. The most important thing is understanding who you're targeting and who your audience is. So let's say I wanted to create a digital download all about herbal medicine and all about Chinese herbs for people who are interested in naturopathic healing. So I can say my audience is looking into alternative health modalities and healing because they're frustrated by modern medicine techniques and methods. So as I said before, one thing that's really important is the more descriptive that you are, the more that the AI can generate more specifically what you're looking for. This is just a first step. I'm going to click on create and then it's going to start drafting some key learning objectives. Now we're going to sit tight and let it generate. Now you can see it literally took seconds, minutes, and now you have a draft. You might want to make some changes. You can go to edit page And I would definitely change the graphics so that it's targeted towards the digital download. So maybe your digital download is all about herbal medicine that you can find in your backyard or forage. I would definitely replace this photo with something that is more applicable to your digital download. I would then evaluate whether this title works for me. But otherwise, I have a very simple looking landing page for my first digital download. As you can see, this is my mobile preview. Everything looks good in the sense that there's nothing cut off. The picture shows up, the opt-in shows up. And if I want to make some changes to the color, I can click on the brand styles and customize the fonts that are available, choose from colors. Maybe I don't like the round button, but maybe I like it a different color, button color for the primary versus secondary color. And I can change all sorts of details with the border. I would personally not change too much with border. The most important elements of your landing page is really the copy, making sure that the text really resonates with what you're trying to sell and offer. And then you could change some of the colors as well. People are less drawn to the details like colors initially. They most want to learn what you have to offer, how this can help them solve their problem, and how this resonates with why they started following and learning from you in the first place. So that's really how you can build your AI-powered landing page. If you have already created your Thinkific account and you're wondering, how do I switch back and forth? I'll show you how, because that will be really important. So I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to look for settings because this is where I'm going to make the changes. And once I click on settings, I'm going to look under course landing page. You will see there's an option to use the new landing page with a simplified builder and AI content, or the classic product page with support for custom CSS and apps. So if you are looking to use custom CSS or any of these super power-ups, then you will need to stick with the classic product page. But if you are a new creator and first timer on Thinkific and you're not super technical, I would definitely stick with the landing page that has a simplified builder and AI content, because it can generate a landing page for you in minutes. No more worrying about how to use ClickFunnels or integrating ClickFunnels. This allows you really to follow the steps to define your audience and what your product is, and have a landing page created for you in minutes. And then all you have to do is show this to a copywriter or whoever you're working with to tweak the copy or continue to use AI to refine the text. That is the process for using the AI builder for digital downloads. If you want to use if you like to use AI for the courses, you can do the same. I would go back to products and I would look at courses, and then I would click on new course. And then this is where I have the option to start from scratch if I don't want to use AI. And then if I do want to use AI, I can choose the course outline here and give my course a name and then call it herbal medicine. Now it will start to generate ideas and curriculum for me. So as again, follow the steps. This course is for people who want to learn about herbs for healing health issues. And then I'm going to click on create, and then it's going to start whipping up some content literally in seconds. Now let's take a look at the course that it has generated for us and the curriculum, and feel free to change it as always. So again, this is how you would use the AI-powered landing page builder to not only create digital downloads, but also to create the curriculum for a new course. Let me know if this helps, how you like the AI landing page builder, if you're planning to try it, what questions or concerns you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.